Hello everyone! Take a cardboard paper and then cut out this outline of a cloud. Add tape onto one of the ends and cut off the excess. Now take some white clay and line the outsides of the cardboard with this. Add multicolored polka dots out of clay to it as well. Add eyes and a mouth to it in the center. Now take a thread, add balls of clay as such to it, and then let it hang from it as such. Next, take an empty jelly container, take some brown clay, insert it into your empty jelly container. Now add multiple dots using a toothpick. Take red, yellow, and balls of clay and then surround it as such. Make the cylindrical shape out of some green clay using a stick and then insert it all together. This will be your flower pot. Next, we'll start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, fold it in half. This is a 10 cm sheet of paper. After this, add tape onto one of the ends, fold it up and stick it all together as such. After you have done this, make multiple of these, about 6 to 8 of them. Join them all together as a circle. Now, take a sheet of paper that is green and then make the stick-like shape out of it. Make 2 of them, stick it in either end of it and open and close it. Next, take these stems of hay and then tie 2 of them together as such. Wrap it around. Once you are done with this, join it together, make multiple of these and then stick them all together as such. Twine it as round and this is what it should look like. Now, after you have done this, you may take it outside as such. Push it out and then bring all of the stems together at the base. In order to make this, we'll start off by taking some cardboard paper and then cut out a stencil out of a heart. Now after this, take multiple candies, stick it all around your heart shape after adding tape to it as such. Now take a ribbon and then make a bow out of it, stick it right in the center at the top. Take another ribbon and then make this, let it hang. Next, we will start off by taking a sheet of tissue paper. After this, we will cut it up, fold it over in half before you do so, and now make this triangular-like shape out of it, make a curved cut to it as such. Take a marker and then make these markings onto it as such. Now do this up for different fruits and open it out as such.